Whoa, whoa, whoa. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing. Is it stay on? You hear me? Can you hear me? Oops. Well. Say, you know what's be with in Africa, right? There's, there's so many animals in the prairie lands. It makes it what animals make them sound. As you hear out, opposed to the dangerous smells of a lion who started the ambush. I like the hard way. So heavy and miles so easy to know. All we gotta do is match these sounds that everything belongs to. If you want a sound again, just choose We Play. Okay, now which animals will make this sound? Yep, it's a black rhinoceros. And most definitely, it's like it sounds like a herd. Next number one. Which animal makes it belongs to? You betcha, that's a dropper of an African elephant. Which animal makes it belongs to? That's so smart, it's stripy, just like a zebra. Alright kids, let this animal make the sounds it belongs to. Oh boy, it's a giraffe. That's a long neck. Giraffe is very smart. You did it all together now, Fuzz. Now let's see how many animals can live here. Gee, I hope you're sure to get lunch. Okay, watch this animal make this sound. That's right, a wildebeest, and in other names, Gnu. Okay, now which animal will make this sound? A Cape Buffalo! Right, that's a big horns. Which animal makes it belongs to? The oryx, or jasbuck, just like with the antelope. Alright, what the sounds makes the sounds of it belongs to? Yup, that's a warthog, just like a hog, or it's the pig. Huh, just like a world just never ends. Alright, it's time to guess to be with Boston Prevosavia. And the 1, and the 2, and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good point. The hog is present. I was to be with an Walmartrosaurus, and this is from Wild Africa Safari, and it's me. I got to say goodbye. All the African animals in the Pride Lands. Only has to be field trips to take photos and look to the other Pride Lands just like you will never see before. Bye for now. See you in the grasslands.